Hello and welcome to Promenade Française. I have an exciting week lined up for you this week. We are going to be releasing 3 videos. Video number 1, we're going to do an extension on last week's Blaine's First Words Challenge. The extension is going to be how you can use ChatGPT as a help so that you can learn those first 2 sentences, and also so that it can help you to learn the beginning parts of French grammar. Number 2, I'm going to be introducing something called pronunciation buckets. Now that you have learned the first 2 sentences in French and you're trying to learn the personal pronouns and also how you conjugate those verbs aller and être, now we're going to use the pronunciation buckets to help you to understand the different types of pronunciation in French and how to simplify that process of learning pronunciation. And then number 3, I'm going to create a pronunciation challenge, and so that you can start to work toward learning pronunciation. All right, so from the top, number 1, we're going to review Blaine's First Words Challenge using ChatGPT. Number 2, I'm going to introduce the pronunciation buckets. And number 3, we're going to have a pronunciation challenge that you can participate in next weekend. I'm glad that you're here. Thank you for following this journey. I think it's going to be fun to learn French, and I know that more and more people will follow along as I actually learn French. But don't worry if you are just starting out. I'm trying to make this so simple and so slow and so easy, mainly for me, but also for you people who are having trouble learning French. Keep on following. Let's go. We can learn French together. Where are we going to be in a month from now? Where are we going to be in 6 months from now? Where are we going to be in 1 year from now? We can go amazing places. Let's start one day at a time.